So like I showed you in the previous video, we are starting a new farm, and it's going to be purposely for vegetables. And we've done this purely organic farming. So we want to show you some of the things that we'll be doing. We have we first started with the clearing of the land. You saw the video where I have to come and do the spraying, and then later I got some people to come and weed this place and then also lose the soil. Now the next thing we're going to do right now is to get our manure into the soil. Mr. Boachi, this is a packaged manure, right?
Yeah, this organic manure.
Okay.
This one is from Europe, and the name is Assassinia.
Assassin, yeah.
Yes, the
Okay.
uh, it's very powerful. Yeah.
Okay. But this one to look like a green fet.
Yes, it's like a green pepper. You see,
Okay.
the organic manure, the Europe one more they are more like it's a parrot. They do it parrot. Unless our local
Local
manure, which
one.
is dusty, and this one is parrot like inorganic one that you can even apply directly on the crop, either maize or tomatoes or everything.
Okay.
Yeah. So since this one is organic farming and you finish first part of the land, we are going to broadcast this one on the land.
Oh, okay.
After broadcasting, then we turn the soil and the organic manure.
Okay.
So that when you plant the lettuce or any vegetables at all, as soon as it rains or as soon as after 2 weeks, it start working.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what we're going to do.
Yes.
Okay. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 8 beds here.
Yes.
So would this one be enough? The two.
Yeah, the two will be enough.
What's the quantity?
This one is a sample one, so this one is about 10 kilos. But
10
normally,
kilos.
yeah, that normally this one you can use about 25 to 30 kilos.
Oh, okay.
And you know this that your land is rich. It's a black loamy soil. So
okay.
since it's a organic farming, at least the land is already rich.
Okay.
So when we add a little manure to it, I think it's
to
going to
spice
be
it up.
yes.
All right. So that's what we're going to do. We are just going to do this is the third phase.
Yeah.
We did the spraying.
Yes.
And then we did weeding.
Yes.
Then we came to lose the soil.
Yes.
And we are now coming to spread them. And this is on the third phase. This is the fourth phase.
Fourth phase.
So going to farming come in stages. You cannot just said I've got the land, I'm going to start planting.
Yeah,
you need to prepare the land.
Yes.
And it has taken me about, I got this land, there's this place around August.
Yeah.
And it's taken me like 3 months to finish. I'm not even done with the preparation because we
You're
still
not
have to
even
come
done.
in.
So after this one, we have to also.
We'll be doing the plastic mulch.
Yes.
Yeah. So when we start installing it too, I'll let you know.
Now can we start?
Yeah, we can start.
So this is how it goes.
Okay.
Then you broadcast it like this. This is the broadcasting of the manure.
Okay. But this one, this organic manure is quite, I mean, very neat.
Yeah, it's very neat. It's very neat.
At least you can be able to handle it.
Yes,
Working it.
as you said,
unlike the one
you can choose to use this one for organic farming without adding any NPKs. I'm talking about the inorganic fertilizer. Because for lettuce and this vegetables, lettuce, cabbage, if you're able to go organic farming, I think it's good.
Okay.
But the major challenge is the marketing. You see, when we go to market, there is no difference between
the
organic vegetables
and the
inorganic. That is why we are trying to sort it out. If we can make that price difference so that it will encourage a lot of people to go into organic farming, because this one is a free of chemicals.
Okay.
Yes.
So if you need organic products in the next few weeks to come, get in touch with me. I'm going to get all for you. So is that all? When we are done with this one, what will be the next thing to do?
It's better you use the hoe.
We are going to use the hoe.
Yes, to turn the soil
again.
Yeah.
So that will be the second time of turning the soil.
Yeah.
Wow.
And that will be good. Organic manure, you can leave it like this, but it's good if you cover it with the soil.
Okay. But if you don't cover it, it still works.
It will still work.
Okay.
But because it's a pottery this thing, when it rains,
it gets.
Yeah, you see some maggots, and there'll be a lot of rice. That's why at times it's better you cover it. Yes.
Oh, okay.
So when you finish like this, now you can use the hoe. It's not any difficult work.
This is quite difficult.
Even if you have a rake, if the land is good, it's very soft, and you have a rake,
okay,
you can use a rake. Gradually.
Yeah.
We are moving forward. You see this?
I'm even happy we had some showers yesterday. So this is the expert farm.
Yes.
This farm is called Expert Africa's Farm.
Expert Organic Farm. This one is organic farm.
I'm coming. We are going to name the farm. So we have to name this farm, right?
Yes.
So what should be the name? Everybody bring your view. Okay.
I suggest Expert Organic Farm.
Expert Organic Farm.
Yes.
What about Expert Africa's Farm?
Okay.
Organic.
Yes.
Expert
the organic.
Africa Organic Farm.
Yes, because this one is complete organic.
We
are not going to use any inorganic fertilizers here.
Okay.
Yeah,
everything is going to be purely organic. So we'll start introducing you to some of the organic products we'll be using. Okay. So that if you need some, you will. If you're also planning to go into organic farming, then you'll be able to.
You can call us.
Yes. Get all the products. Mr. Boachi will be ready to assist you with all the products. So this one, I hope you saw the green fet. The green fet.
This one too is part of. They have the same component, but this one,
yes,
it's a new product.
This is a new product you are trying, and we've got a lot of testimonies using this product. So
you have to try it before.
Yes, that's why we are also using it, trying it again to see the results. And so if you are planning to go into organic farming, you can get in touch with us. This pure, you know, when something comes new like this in the system, their function is always on the rise. Okay, so try and then get yours, and let's start using it together so that we all come out with our results. So Expert Organic Farm. Expert Organic Farm. We just coined this name today.